YouTube channel with a fresh new video and a fresh new content exclusively for you guys. So as I promised, we are here with a fresh new outlet, fresh new dish here in Nama Bengaluru. It is one of the famous Middle East authentic dessert where a lot of people are so much in love, and I was quite impressed when I found out this dessert is here in Nama Bengaluru. It's none other than Kunafa World. This Middle East authentic dessert is one of the famous wherein almost everybody should taste. It has a crunchier outer with a creamier inner filling, and also along with that they give sugar syrup to have extra touch. That's the top notch of this dessert is what I want to tell you. So I am pretty excited. I am super excited to taste the different kind of kunafas they have in Kunafa World. So as I told you, here am I today in Fraser Town Kunafa World main branch. So I'm pretty excited. Come on, let's quickly go. But before going, please do not forget to click onto that subscribe button and the bell button next to it, and click a like if you like this video, and comment in the comment section below, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am super excited. Come on, let's see how's the Kunafa World serving us. Hi.
Hello ma'am.
Hi. So this is the first time I'm visiting here.
Okay.
So what all you have?
We have classic cheese kunafa,
Okay.
which is authentic.
Right.
It's a Middle East traditional dessert. And our best selling is a Nutella kunafa and nutty kunafa.
Okay.
That will be like Nutella comes with Nutella on top.
The
Base is our own blended cream. And in nutty kunafa, also inside will be cream,
Okay.
and toppings will be nuts.
nuts.
Yeah.
Okay. So the classic you told me like that will be only the kunafa,
Yeah, only the kunafa.
the cheese. Okay. And what are the type of bases you have? You have different type of bases.
Yeah, we have three bases. One is our own blended cream base, and one is caramel base.
Okay.
That will be like a little more sweet.
More sweet.
Yeah, and authentic one is a cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Base. Okay.
And we'll give sugar syrup with saffron. And how much we demand, according to that, you have to pour on top.
Pour on top
Yeah.
and then eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have two kind of kunafa. Like one is a crunchy kunafa, which is oven baked, and one is a classic. That is a tawa baked.
Tawa baked.
Yeah.
Okay. So which will be like more? What is the difference, crunchy and?
And crunchy tawa baked. This classic is an authentic style actually.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a fry, not exactly fry. It's open.
So crunchy baked is like more crunchier, more crispy or something like that?
Crunchy baked will be crunchy and medium soft.
Medium soft.
Yeah. This classic will be a little more crunchy.
Okay. So we also get mini as well as cone.
Yeah. This we have assorted mini kunafa. That will be small cupcake size,
Okay.
and base will be all cream in that. Toppings will be Nutella, nutty, caramel, and one will be cream.
Cream. Okay.
And cone is there. Cone will be more chocolatish and it will be crunchy.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
Okay. So one assorted mini kunafa and one cheese kunafa.
Okay.
We'll go for
Okay.
Yeah.
It will take 10 to 15 minutes to
10 to
prepare.
15
Yeah.
minutes, right. So hey guys, you just saw right now we are in Kunafa World, Fraser Town, the main outlet in Namma Bengaluru. So today, as you have already seen, we took two types. That is, one is the assorted Kunafa, and another one is the classic cheese Kunafa. So here am I tasting the classic cheese Kunafa. So by the look of it, it looks really good, and the topping, whatever it is there, is like the pista powder which is like given, and they have given us the sugar syrup wherein we can add the level of sweetness as per our taste. So if you want really sweet, you can add more of it, and if you're not a person who is likes much of sweet, you can just add a little of this syrup and start munching on this kunafa right here. So I am pretty excited. This is the first time in my entire life I am tasting kunafa. So let's binge in. Really good, very crunchier from the outside, cheesier from the inside, and right type of taste. It's like really yum. I was actually doubting like it will be very sweet because sugar syrup is something like, you know, towards the sweeter side, but definitely it is not. I'm so happy that I've discovered some amazing dessert in Namma Bengaluru. I'm very loving this. So yes guys, here we have the assorted kunafa. This is like a mini kunafa wherein we get 4 different types. One is the nutty one, and the next is a Nutella kunafa, and this is a cream kunafa, and this one is caramel. So in a single plate we get 4 different kinds of kunafa. This is available even on Swiggy, like online orders also, and recently these people have started the outlets. So they started dine-in very recently.
So you can come all the way here and start tasting these. So here am I going to try these 4 different types of kunafas. So the first one, whichever I had, was the classic cheese. This is a different, completely different topped. So let me see.
So when you see the nutty kunafa, it's like completely full of like nuts. You can see top was completely filled with cashews, and the base remains the same in all these, but the toppings will be the different one. So it's quite really good. It's like crunchier at the top, and the kunafa remains the same as the base, and it's really a thumbs up. So the next one is the caramel one. So you can see like the topping is full of caramel, and the base is the same base as I already told. So caramel kunafa, let me see how it tastes. The taste actually differs from what I tasted before. The nutty one is completely different, and this one is also completely different. So it's definitely a good go. I'm pretty excited to taste the next 2 kunafas. So let me see right now. So up next we have a cream kunafa. So let me see. So we have this pista powder. Like they have this powder which has been sprinkled on top. I'm just evening it out. So this is a cream kunafa. It looks almost similar to what I ate before. That was the cheese wala, but this is completely different. So let me see. Damn good. It's like pretty damn good. The filling is so good. It's like completely cream and not very chocolatey. Perfect fine roasted crispiness. It is definitely my favorite, trust me. It's like very good. Moving on to the next one, that is a Nutella. As I already said, like we have to even out the pista powder, and this looks so yum. Very it is shining. The chocolate is like shining from the side. pretty excited. I have a sweet tooth actually, and that is why I waited for the Nutella to stay at the end. So let me see. I really want to say, like, when they said like they have 4 different kind of kunafas, I was quite doubtful, like how would the taste be, how can we actually relate to one another. But trust me, all these 4 are like a very big thumbs up. They differ from one to another, and I am so in love with it. So guys, Kunafa World is actually here in Fraser Town and Kamanalli. So the outlets have been opened very recently after COVID, and they are following all the COVID protocols, as you have already seen. The sanitization and thermal check as I came in, everything is perfect. And when it comes to the kitchen part, everything is cleanly maintained. The hygienity is completely 100% there. So COVID protocols are completely maintained. And as well as when it comes to takeaway, they give everything along with the sugar syrup also. So you can go right away and place your orders. And before that, I am pretty excited. I really want to binge on to this. So let me completely binge on to this right now. So ladies and gentlemen, you just saw me tasting the assorted kunafa as well as the classic cheese kunafa. I completely loved it. So if you like this video, do not forget to give a like to this video, and also click on to that subscribe button and the bell button next to it, and drop in your valuable comments in the comment section below. If you have any kind of dish which you wanted me to try out or give a review on, definitely drop in the comment section below. And if you have missed any kind of videos which I have previously reviewed, so click on to that iCard. I have added in the iCard and as well as in the description box. So do check out, and I have added all the details of Kunafa World, the location, the pricing and other things in the description box below. So do check out. And ladies and gentlemen, I was pretty impressed with Kunafa World, and I'm definitely going to add this dessert to one of my favorites. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll come back with a fresh new video for you guys. This is signing off from MC Punya. Tata, bye bye, take care, have a fantastic week ahead. Bye. Bye.